Do another one for you. Once again, your first nail. Then of course you run out of nail. Now you need some more. All right, Jeff Pennington Roofing. We are installing Timberline HD series shingles today. I want to get you guys familiar with what's going on here. You can see it is a dimensional shingle, tar strip on the back. Orange lines where you're supposed to be putting your nails. You got the double strip right here. The only spot allowed to nail is right in here. You got to have your 6-inch stagger here on your edges, 6 inches from here to here. Start your first nail here. Make sure you're good. This right here is called the rain line. You can see how the shingle is here. You bring your shingle down to this rain line. You know you're straight with the rest of the shingle. We like to skip a little bit here on the second nail. That when you take your next shingle up, you have water can run from this slot. It can run this way and this way. You got a little bit of room for each way for it to run through the nails before it actually will start rotting them out. So you go ahead here in Florida and we do 3, 4, 5, 6. We put 6 nails per shingle. Go ahead and start your second one. I like to take my gun, put on the rain line. Makes you a little faster. But once again, that was the first one. Skip a little bit. All in the orange line. Keep them all where they're supposed to be. You'll pass inspection. You'll install them to manufacturer specs. We'll go ahead and do another one for you. Once again, your first nail. And then of course you run out of nail. Now you need some more.